Hi guys! Thai chicken fried rice is a very popular one-plate Thai street food meal. It is so easy to make, fresh and tasty at home. I can't imagine why people order it for a takeout. Let's make it quick and easy, the Thai tasty way. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Rice is a great source of carbohydrate for energy. Chicken a great source of protein. Just add some vegetable and taste and you have a great balanced meal. We want nice moist chicken and freshly stir-fried rice that taste awesome. So let's go cook some chicken fried rice. If you like this recipe, please do leave a comment on your experience and I need your feedback, guys. Let Katie tell you about the ingredients for chicken fried rice. For the marinade, the chicken, we need
soy sauce, mushroom seasoning, brown sugar, chicken.
the ingredient for fried rice itself. We need
Corn, coriander, spring onion, soy sauce, brown sugar, mushroom seasoning, rice, carrot, garlic, egg. We need some oil for the frying.
Alright, let's prepare the chicken for chicken fried rice. So, first of all, you need the chicken breast without the skin and slice it up. I like my chicken sliced up thinly because I don't want the chicken to get cooked too long and get too tough after we done the dish. And also help for the marinade. Get the chicken will absorb to the marinade sauce easily and not take long. And the other thing with that, it doesn't take long to cook the chicken either. That's why chicken fried rice is famous of Thai street food. Mushroom seasoning, powder, brown sugar, soy sauce, then I will prepare the vegetable. Start with the carrot, peel the carrot first, then cut it in the strip like this. Then cut it in the small pieces. Corn. The corn is already cooked. If you buy the one is not cooked yet, you need to cook it first before you put it in chicken fried rice. Spring onion. For the spring onion, you need to chop it up like that into small pieces. Some spice here. Coriander, chop it up. We need to pound garlic before we do the fried chicken. Pesto and mortar, or you can use the mincer if you have one at home. Or you can just use a knife to chop it up. Doesn't matter. for fried rice, whatever any type of fried rice, we have to season the rice first before we cook it. Mushroom seasoning, brown sugar, soy sauce, corn, the ingredients all in here is already cooked. The rice is cooked, the corn is cooked. Let's go cook the chicken fried rice. Cooking oil, so for the egg, you need to crack the egg in the bowl first in case you got the bad ones. Now crushed garlic in there. Oh, smells so nice. No. Once I get the smell, put the chicken in there. Also my carrot. So now it's time for me to add the egg. Don't let the egg cook too much, right? 50% cook, add the rice that you already done the seasoning. Then stir it up well. If you cook the rice just to do for this dish, so make sure the rice don't get too wet because the rice will be crumbed and not nicely individual grain. Or if you have leftover rice, you can just use that. For this dish, is to the idea just to use the leftover rice. If the rice too dry when you cook it, you can add a little bit of oil. Spring onion. Okay, chicken fried rice is done. I will serve it up and show you guys what it looks like.